Well, hello everyone. I am Dream Mentor David, and today I would like to talk about masters and teachers, especially those experiences from which we are supposed to learn and that they are told to be our teachers. The origin of this video was a warm and actually very beautiful summer night when a woman who was a kind of therapist in context to the spiritual world and so forth, told me that her rapist was her teacher. And I don't know you, but that comment made me feel very bad. Um, it made me feel a kind of sadness and so forth. Why? Does the rapist has actually something to teach me? Really? I mean, the only thing that he uh, taught this woman was how to rape, the aggression itself. I believe that that aggressor didn't have anything to teach. That in fact it's us who have something to teach to him. We have to teach to him, or we can teach him, better stated, about love, compassion, freedom, respect. And that made me think that a video like this was actually necessary to sort off actually those concepts and bring peace to some issues. And for this, in order to do this, I would like to use the metaphor or the analogy, if you will, of the teacher of mathematics. The school teacher gives us the knowledge. He gives us the theoretical class, the theory, the how to solve the equations. And in the spiritual context, for me, that would be the wisdom, that would be the deity, your philosophy, if you will, the knowledge. And in the very same way that a school teacher, after giving us the theoretical class, gives us a mathematical problem, an equation to solve in order to put in practice what we have already learned. For me, that would be the rapist role. The rapist, the aggressor, would be the opportunity, the occasion to practice what we have learned, to develop the virtue that we would like to develop. He or she would be like the mathematical problem, the equation to solve, so that we can practice and train how to be more compassionate, so that we can be more comprehensive, we can exercise our freedom and our respect to other people. And why not? And this would be one of the most differential points of this video. Why not assume our role of teachers and teach him or her, the aggressor, what we know and what he or she doesn't know about freedom, love, understanding, compassion, respect, and so forth. I am sure that this video is making your brain function right now and to work. Therefore, I would leave you remembering the Dream Mentor's motto, which is be happy now because you become what you think about. Thank you very much. Bye bye.